Okay, hello guys. Okay, I have this to quickly share with you. Now, I have this account I'm running, and I just want to point your attention to what you have here under the delivery. You will see active, active, then learning limited. Now, learning limited means that Facebook is still trying to learn about the people that can buy from you. Okay, so we have learning limited. We call it the learning phase. So there are conditions that Facebook requires from you for you to exit, for Facebook algorithm to exit the learning phase. Now you can see that this is active. The three of them were formerly in learning limited before. But the condition is that if you can make up to few, if your what you are targeting, optimizing for is purchase, you must be able to have 50 purchases in a week on that particular ad account for you to exit the learning phase. The implication is this. That means if you can make up to 50 sales in a week, that means Facebook the algorithm would have understood the characteristics of people that can buy from you. So what Facebook will now do, once you are able to exit that learning phase, Facebook will now start working for you. The algorithm will start looking for people because it has gathered enough information, data, and it knows that, oh, this, you need this. Okay, it knows that these are the people that can, that can buy from you. Facebook will now start showing your advert to people that have the tendency to buy from you. So that is what is happening. So for you to exit the learning phase, go to results, that's purchase, website purchase, 55. Immediately this number go to 50. It changed from learning limited to what? Active. Look at this one. This one is still at 42. Look at this one, 58, active. Okay. So maybe this one, I can optimize this one to get to 42. It's just that why I don't want to touch it because it's expensive. Cost per result for this one is 1,003 something. While this one is 1,004 something. This is almost 2,000 naira. That's why if I want to optimize it now, the easiest thing to me to do is to increase the price. Once I increase the price, the cost, the money, the budgets, once I increase the budgets, it will make more sales and it will cost that 50. And that's our goal. Getting out of the learning phase is very important. Now, let me show you another ad account. This is another ad account. You can see learning limited. Look at the number 26 active. This one is what? 67. Look at the cost per result below 1,000. And this product is a product of 25,000 naira. And we have sold 67 already. This one is 1,000 something. Okay. Now, the issue there is this. Apart from learning limited, we also have creative limited. So some days ago, let me go to the ad level. Some days ago, this particular one, this second one, this one I checked. It was showing me creative limited. Creative limited has nothing to do with number of purchases. From the word creative, either image or video, it's showing that my audience have seen my video over and over and over again, and I need to change my creative. So what I did was that I duplicated it. That's why you can see video one, copy. I duplicated it. And now, immediately I duplicated it, I now introduced thumbnail. I didn't change the video, I just introduced thumbnail. Immediately I introduced thumbnail, and Facebook approved it. This creative limited change. And look at, and one surprising thing about it is that immediately I introduce the stuff, you can see cost per result here is 254 naira, while this one is 867 naira. Just introducing a thumbnail. You can see that Facebook advertising is very interesting if you know what you are doing. So I want to encourage you. You can see the date. Today is 5th. This is 5th of January. So I want to encourage you. Practice, 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 and practice. If you don't have enough knowledge, go for higher knowledge now. Okay, if you are invested in this course and you feel you need more, you can come from my mentorship program. And that's where the height of it. You have bought this course and you are getting some results. You want to get better results. You can decide to come for my mentorship program. You will not regret it. You will not, because people are seeing results. Okay. So I want to encourage you this year, make up your mind to make it in advertising. Advertising works. I will see you in my next video.